Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about the example of recount text in English, part 1. Mr. Agung's trip to Panama. Mr. Agung and his two sons went to Panama for holiday. At first, they searched for travel agency and reserved flight tickets. Then they came to the embassy of Spain to get tourist visas. Finally, they had been given permission to go for 14 days. Their trip had included travel, accommodation, and tours around the city. Mr. Agung and his sons were on a large Boeing flight for 14 hours flight. All the attendants were very helpful. They provided newspapers and magazines to all passengers. They also delivered some food and beverages to their seats. When Mr. Agung and his sons arrived at Tochman International Airport, they came to customs and immigration to check the documents. The immigration officers were also very nice. The documents were verified accurately by them. Although they were assertive, but they had polite manners. Mr. Agung and his sons gathered their luggage. After that, they went to welcome desk to arrange their transfer to a hotel. The hotel was a 4-star hotel. The room had a miraculous park to see. Beside the key, they also got an inserted key card to unlock the door. There was also a restaurant with Asian and European cuisines located on the 3rd floor on the hotel. They were also offered a variety of menus. The 2 weeks went by fast. Mr. Agung and his sons felt so tired, but they were very excited to have had a trip in Panama. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.